Welcome! In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to integrate Omnisend with Desku to sync customer data and streamline your marketing workflows. To begin, open the Settings section from your Desku dashboard. Next, browse the Integrations library to discover apps and tools that extend your help desk capabilities. Locate Omnisend and start the installation process to connect your marketing platform with Desku. Now log into your Omnisend account to access your store and API settings. Head over to Store Settings where you can manage integrations, API access, and connected services. Open the API section to generate or manage your Omnisend API keys. Select the API key you'd like to use for this integration. Copy your API key securely. You'll use this to authorize the connection inside Desku. Return to Desku and paste your Omnisend API key into the integration field provided. Once the key is added, continue to the next step to verify and activate the integration. Complete the setup process to finalize the connection between Omnisend and Desku. Your Omnisend integration is now active. You can now view synced leads and use customer data more effectively across your support and marketing workflows.